Subject, male celeb. Dahuang male celeb na ito na lumalabas ang pagka-Madam Curie, as in kuripot, sa date niya with a maarting female celeb.
Who's maarte? I'm not maarte. I hate you na.
Nagsusumikret ang relationship ng male at female celeb. So, they're taking it slow. So, nung nagaya si male celeb ng dinner date, na-excite si female celeb.
Hey, female celeb, let's go out and lala and dinner ourselves. What you think?
Dictionary, lala, short form of lafang, meaning food or to eat. Kain-kain, laposh, lafang, lala, bao.
At na-excite pa si female celeb dahil sa sosyal at expensive na lugar na itinago natin sa namesong na Wonderland.
Wow, Wonderland?
Wonderland kasi ang name ng sosyal na hotel chain. So expect ni female celeb either sa Wonderland Makati or Wonderland EDSA sila mag-dinner. So, super busy siya for a fine dining night. Dumating ang gabi, sinundo siya ni male celeb at dinala nga sa Wonderland Restaurant. May kapangalang Not So Saucy Restaurant at doon lang siya iti-dinner ni male celeb.
What this? Where this? Why this? I don't like it!
Wonderland Resto. May discount ako dito. Go!
Ano rating nyo?
Rated PK as in Epog Kuripot Tao!
Dahil si male at female celeb, di rin namin na-spelling kung bakit sila o kung sila nga. Sa show ko namin sa name songs na Far Taylor at Annie Corona. Yun na!
Fresh na fresh!
Unang rampa, The Generics Pharmacy Destination 1200 in 2011 at Crown Plaza, Pasig City. Secondly, go tayo sa third Go Negosyo Women Entrepreneurship Summit at World Trade Center Manila, Pasay City. Next, ang launching of Nokia Critter University at Adamson University, Manila City. At sa Terra Nova Fashion Show at Festival Mall Abang with Kapuso Stars. Nirampahan din natin last Tuesday ang arrival of Stone Temple pilots sa NAIA Terminal 1. Go naman sa second Northwest Summer State University Students' Choice Award for Radio and Television at NWSSU, Calbayog City.